Greetings everyone. Today we are going to show you how to bind your VPN license to your AdGuard account. Double-click on Google Chrome. Search for AdGuard on Google. Click on the AdGuard link. Log in to your AdGuard account. Enter your email address. Click Continue. Enter your password. Click Continue. Once you reach the landing page, go to Licenses. Before binding a license, you may see available free licenses in your account. Click on Bind License. Enter your license key here. All VPN licenses start with the prefix VPN. Click Bind. A license-bound message will appear. Click OK. The Licenses page will now display your activated VPN license and the free bonus AdGuard DNS license. Click on Purchases. This section shows the date, order ID, product, license key, type, amount, status, and source. This is your current activity history. Select AdGuard VPN under Products. You can also see your list of activated devices there. So, let's meet again in the next video. Stay protected. Stay secure with AdGuard.